Let me make this quick. I'm about to show you exactly how you can start creating motivational and inspirational videos like the one you usually see trending online. This type of videos are getting millions of views daily and can earn anywhere from $300 to $500 or more a day. This is going to be a super simple method, and I promise anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. You don't need a camera, you won't have to show your face, and you won't even need to use your voice. You are simply going to copy and paste videos. I'm going to show you everything step by step, starting right after this. Let's take a sneak peek into exactly what some channels are earning right in this niche. Here is what this channel is earning from this type of videos. I use Social Blade to check estimated earning, but let me tell you, Social Blade usually shows much less than what creators are making. So trust me, there's a lot of money to be made, and whether YouTube like it or not, we are going to get a piece of that pie. Now let's jump straight into exactly how we can create these videos. There are 3 key components we'll be needing to get started. First, head over to Pexels. Pexels is an amazing resource for free stock photos, royalty-free images, and videos shared by creators. One of the first questions people ask is, will I get copyright strike? And the answer is no. Pexels allows you to use their content provided you are not printing and selling it as your own artwork. If you go to the video sections on Pexels and type in motivation, you will see clips like a person boxing, someone standing on a rock, or mountains with climbers scaling them. These are perfect for motivational videos. Simply download the clips you like. You will need plenty of footage to make your videos dynamic. Next, we'll be needing some music. YouTube offers free music in its audio library that you can use. Search for terms like motivation or inspiration. Listen and download the tracks you want. Finally, let's get to the voiceovers. Remember, you don't need to record your own voice. Instead, use free audiobooks available on the internet. Internet Archive is the best way to go. Click audio, then choose audiobooks or community audio. Search for topics like positive affirmation. Ensure the content is in the public domain before downloading. I found options like the game of life and how to play it, and affirmations for happiness and stress relief. Download the MP3 version to use in your video. For editing, you can use Final Cut Pro. That's if you are using Mac. If you don't have a Mac PC, there are other editing tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Filmora, and Adobe Premiere Pro, whichever is convenient with you. Start by importing your downloaded video clips into your editor. Arrange them in the order you want, ensuring each clip flows smoothly. Keep clips short to maintain viewer interest. Add your downloaded music and adjust the volume to complement the voiceover without overpowering it. Break up the voiceover audio into sections for better pacing. Use the trim or blade tool to space out parts. Then align the music with the visuals. Adjust clip length and reorder them as needed to create an engaging video. Once you finalize everything, export your project in 1080p. When titling your video, research similar successful videos on YouTube. Use titles that attract the audience from those videos to yours. Titles are crucial for discoverability, so I suggest you choose wisely. Lastly, remember to monetize your video on YouTube. You only need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It may take some effort, but these videos are super easy to make. Consistently uploading one video per day will help you build an audience faster and reach your goals on time. I'll be dropping the link to all the resources you'll be needing right in the description below. So don't wait any longer. Start creating as soon as possible. Please ensure you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated for my next blockbuster. And remember to let me know in the comment section how your video turns out. Meanwhile, if you are thinking of another way to create content and a very much easier way to generate scripts using ChatGPT, the video that just popped next to me will show you exactly how it is done. And I also put in that video a secret tool that I've been using since the beginning of my days as a YouTuber to optimize my content. So do not hesitate to check it out. So whatever you do, never stop making money.